As the COVID-19 pandemic has had a larger impact on Fijians in Nadi, many are resorting to starting their own business. For young aircraft engineer Charlene Tafunai, this was not the end of the road, but a beginning of a new journey. In tonight's Successful Fijian, we bring you the story of jeweler and crafter Charlene, who has been running her business for 6 months now. Venina Rakautonga reports.
What started off as a hobby became a source of income for 26-year-old Charlene Tafunai, who is now extending her reach outside of Nadi.
I'm usually based in the Nadi Vote City Flea Market, but I thought I'd come and try out the Rock Market today and see what the Suva market is like. And I found that there's a lot of business here in Suva. I think yeah, it's good here in Suva.
It wasn't an easy feat, starting off little, but with the right people around her, she made it.
One of the challenges would be always trying to create new things, come up with new ideas, and to always try and better yourself so that there's always something fun and new that people can look forward to when they come and visit the shop or the jewelry.
The former Miss Fiji contestant wants to be an inspiration to younger girls.
Probably an inspiration to young girls, especially to my sisters. So when I started my business, then it sort of like pushed them to start their baking business, their cookie business, and also their scrunchie business. So trying to do it so that it can be like a light to the younger generation.
Tafunai says after establishing contacts in Suva, she has more plans in the bag.
Since I just started in June, I've only started with earrings, so I'm hoping to expand to necklaces and bracelets, and also hope to expand my art and craft business as well.
Tafunai has advised young entrepreneurs to grab opportunities with both hands as they come and to always remain positive. Venina Rakautonga, FBC News.